Welcome back to Rawai Muay Thai, based here in Khao Lak. Today I'm not gonna tell you where to find the best pad thai, or where are the elephant pants for sale, or who serves the best flat white in town. But if you stick around, I'm gonna show you beaches, waterfalls, temples and markets. And all of them are no more than a 15-minute scooter ride from Rawai Muay Thai. So grab your helmet and let's hit the road. We are starting our day at the local morning market. It opens early, usually around 6 a.m., and winds down before the noon. You will find fresh vegetables, tropical fruit, noodles, snacks, and even local fish and meat. Many restaurants owners buy their daily ingredients here. It's one of my favorite places in Khao Lak, simple, busy, and very real. Just a few minutes away, you will find one of the most powerful landmarks in the area, Police Boat 813. Dragged more than a kilometer inland during the 2004 tsunami, it now stands as a memorial. There is a small exhibition. It's quiet, respectful, and well worth a short visit. Now we head inland to Chong Fa Waterfall, the biggest and most well-known in Khao Lak. You will follow a shaded jungle trail for about 15 till 20 minutes to reach the water. If it's been raining, the flow is strong and you can take a refreshing swim in the natural pool. It's a peaceful place where nature takes over the noise of the day. From jungle to sea, this is small sandy beach, tucked inside the national park. It's one of the most peaceful spots on the coast, surrounded by cliffs and trees, perfect for a quiet swim or nap in the shade. If you visit Chong Fa earlier the same day, keep your ticket, it's valid here too. Thong Beach, probably the main one in Khao Lak. It's easy to get to and has a mix of shops, restaurants and places to stay nearby. You will find a small lighthouse at the end, and sometimes people even surf here when the waves are right. This is Khuk Khak Beach, wide, open and beautifully raw. You will not find crowds here, just a few shaded sunbeds and a couple of quiet restaurants. During high season, we sometimes train here with Rawai Muay Thai on Saturday mornings. It's perfect for running, breathing and letting your mind settle. Close to the Khao Lak lake, you can see Wat Phadung. Wat Phadung is home to a giant white Buddha, and it's a peaceful place with beautiful views. Even if you are not religious, it's worth the short stop. The atmosphere is calm and the statue is impressive. Wat Khuk Khak is a quiet temple just off the main road, where you can also see the entrance gate, and it's very easy to stop by. If you are interested in the biggest temples in the province, just check out my older video about that. A few minutes from here is an elephant sanctuary that offers respectful experiences. No riding, no shows. You can feed the elephants and walk beside them. Feeding one with your own hands is something you will never forget. Believe me. What do you do here? It's up to you. Just follow your feelings, rules, and please be kind. Welcome to Memories Beach. Laid back, sandy, and a favorite for surfers. It's one of the best places to relax, watch the waves, or catch a beginner's surf lesson. Sometimes it's empty and calm, sometimes it's full of music and energy with the small events like DJs or surf competitions. Coconut Beach is one of my personal favorites in all of Khao Lak. It's quiet, clean, has soft sand and a peaceful view of the horizon. There are a few restaurants and shaded loungers here. It's easy to spend a few hours doing nothing. At low tide, you can actually walk all the way to the White Sand Beach. White Sand Beach is closed in low season, but during the high season, it offers many services, food and loungers. On the way to another waterfall, we pass the Khao Lak Elephant Sanctuary. If you are lucky, you might even spot an elephant wandering roadside nearby, so please drive carefully. Our another stop is Sai Rung or Rainbow Waterfall, just a 1-minute walk from the road. It's small, quiet and easy to reach, perfect for a short break, a dip, or just listening to the sound of the water before heading back. Before sunset, stop by this daily afternoon market just behind the gas station. It runs from around 3 p.m. to 8 p.m., but around 7, many stalls are already closing. You will find fruit, snacks, meat, fish, vegetables, even a few clothing stands. I personally like the Thai donuts here. They are crispy and very addictive. And that's it. A full loop through Khao Lak, all within 15 minutes from Rawai Muay Thai. No long drives, no boats, no need to plan ahead. Just hop on the scooter and explore. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe, because we've got more coming soon, like half-day trips and boat tours once high season kicks in. See you next time. As for me, I'm going to the bed. I'm tired. But if it's Monday, Wednesday, Thursday or Saturday, you've still got time to explore the Niang Night Market. You will find everything there, from souvenirs and clothes to street food, drinks or ice cream.